Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel. In this video we are going to see how to do visual testing with Cypress and Applitools. So here we are going to cover like how to integrate Applitool with Cypress and how to run it on the Cypress like Applitool page and how to see the result, and you can reject or accept the UI changes if there is a UI difference like which is bug, and which you can accept the changes also. So everything we are going to cover in this video. Okay, so there is a Applitool page, Cypress cross browser testing. So here they have explained how to do it, like how to integrate from the basics. Okay, so this URL anyway will give it in the site descriptions. Okay, so basically first you have to install Cypress. So before that, you have to install Applitool. Before that you should have some basic Cypress project. So once we have a Cypress project, I think you can start from here. Maybe we have npm page also. So we should copy the command npm i -d applitool Cypress. So already I have created a project. So just paste it in the terminal. Okay, once you paste it in the terminal, just try to install it. So it will once you have installed successfully, you will get like this. And then what you have to do is go to next command npx ice setup. So by doing this, it will add some configuration files. Okay, setup is Cypress plugin already defined everything. So what and all it will do, in the support it will create ice.index file. Okay, so whatever required changes it will do. See, even in the plugins also it's defined. Okay, that's it. I think now one more one thing what we have to do is we should log in with Applitools. If you have already, go to profile. Once you sign up, you will get into this one. Go to profile and my API key. Just copy this, and if you are using Mac, you have to export Applitools API key is equal to that value. So this you have to put into bash profile. Okay, so already I have added in my bash profile. If you want to see that, like view bash profile, so maybe you can see it here. Okay, and I think this once you have done this, just go to a script integration. So I will create one new folder, Applitools test, and inside that I will create one new file, visual test.js. okay, so like the same page. Once this is done, is there anything pending? Nothing actually. So this will add, and next thing you have to add the key. As I told, if it is Windows, you just set Applitool and your key. Okay, without this it won't work. If you are trying to run also, it will say Applitool API key not found. Okay, so as of now I will just take this sample project, okay, sample code, and paste it in my visual test. So then I will open the Cypress that UI. You can run from terminal also, but for easy I will just open the Cypress UI. So basically what it will do, so you are testing one application which is like a static UI, and every time you can do functional testing with Selenium, but is there any pixelated, is there any icon overlapped with other icon, these are the stuff no we can find it using Cypress like Applitools. Okay, so I think this one opened. So Applitool visual test, you just click on it. Once you click, what you have given is like app name is hello world, browser is 800 600, that also you have given, and you are checking to hello world main page. After clicking on button, you are just taking check window is click. Okay, just go here and just refresh. These are all my hold run actually. So once this is running fine, I think it's almost done. Yeah, my first JavaScript test, because in the code itself you have given test name is my first JavaScript test and app name is hello world. Okay, so from test side it's running fine, and here that upload and all it's happening, mostly it's because of internet. If you have a speed, I think it's passed. Okay, so once you click here you can see two screen, that's hello world, and just open it. Okay, so diff1 diff2. So what we are going to do, we have run with the hello world URL, right? Now we are going to do with diff1. So let's see what it will open. It will just show some UI uh, minimal difference, the number, this other stuff, and diff2 show click me button will be like placed in somewhere else. Let's see what will happen. So I'm going to run with diff1, and it should show the difference. I think it's, I'm just rerunning visual test with URL change. In the sense, the first version is the fixed one, which is kind of, you can say it's tested and one, and the next URL is like a new version. So from here you will get to know what is the difference. Okay, it took a screenshot, and now we need to go here and see. This is the same test and same app name. It will identify, okay, you are running the same application with different version, like that. Okay, so once you get passed while running, you cannot open it actually. Once it shows pass, fail, or resolve, unresolved, something like that, then you can open that. Okay, it shows unresolved now, and if you refresh here also it will show. Now you will get to know the difference. The first version doesn't have this number. Okay, so that's why it's showing. After click also the number is coming, and okay, this is the first version failure. So what I will do, the number is fine, I'm saying, so pass, like I will accept it. So it will say it's pass, then you have to save it. Okay, it says passed and unsaved. It's saved also now. Now I'm going to run with diff2. The URL actually I'm changing. Once you save, it started running again. So the button, so whatever the button you are seeing now, that is actually how can I say, it will click because we have mentioned the ID of the button, but it's misplaced in the other places. So actual test will show us pass, but with Applitool it will show us failed only. It will show the difference. You can reject or approve. So similar changes if it's coming on the future, it will show failure. Okay, so it's running now. Yeah, it shows unresolved and this. Okay, so even the hello world also color and all differ. This number is changed, this button moved from here to here. So like what I will say, add multiple. So this what you have to do, this is actually with this icon is to add a bug region. So if anything happen in this, it will add directly bug and assign to someone. Okay, and this ignore region, if you want to ignore this, for example, if you want to ignore whatever color it is, you can ignore it. Okay, and whatever number you have, you can ignore this, it won't. Okay, you can ignore it. And this one you cannot ignore, right? Okay, this one is like, it's a buggy one, it should actually, it's strict actually, so it is a bug. Okay, this one I have removed. And in the second screen, the total, this icon is different. Okay, so one button also changed, this also I'm rejecting. So after that I have to save it. So this is failed, it will show directly here. Okay, so this is how you can integrate Applitool with Cypress. This is just a simple code, you are not at all writing anything. If you want to split the Cypress and Applitool code, it just one line and two. Yeah, so this is Cypress one and this is Cypress code, nothing else. These are all like taken care by Applitools. Like, this is just to open the eyes, and it will take a screenshot and eyes dot close. So whenever you are running a first time, that will be a base image, and the same test name if you are using, when you're running next time, it will be kind of a new version. So if you're accepting the changes, that will become a base image. Okay guys, okay guys, thanks for watching guys, and explore more on this. Like, I think this is free version, you will get very limited features like bug region and all, you won't get it. Okay, so explore and you will get to know about it more. This is actually a cool one, and there are more feature in Applitools that we can see, like Applitools demo video, something like that. You can run with multiple viewport regions, like viewport devices, multiple devices, and you can run parallelly. So a lot of stuffs are there with Applitool video. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video, and if you like my video, please subscribe.